Sound design can take an edit from flat, empty, and boring to an emotionally captivating video you cannot take your eyes off and fully bring it to life. Today I'm giving you my favorite sound effects and also breaking down my real live timelines and showing you exactly how I use these to make my edits come alive. Oh, also on top, I'm going to give you guys 100+ sound effects that I use in my edits. I'm just going to flash a QR code on the screen somewhere towards the end of the video. You're going to scan it and you're going to get a massive sound effects pack for free. Let's get into the video. Sound effect number 1, sniper zoom focus. This is an awesome transition, but it also works well to zoom into somebody. For example, boom. You see that? That was the sniper zoom in right there. It was clean. The smooth camera zoom is in the Essential Motion 2.0 pack. This is a 100% for free editing pack. I've linked it down below. I've used the zooming in and out of focus effect right here. And all you have to do is drag this to an adjustment layer above your clip. Now let's play the full scene with my voice and the music and see how well everything ties in together. And today we're putting them head to head to see if we can actually tell which one's the beginner and which one's the expert. We've got 5 rounds, 10 edits total, and after every round, we'll have to guess which one was made by the expert. Super clean, so as you see, everything ties in there really nice, but also, we've got these little select sound effects when I'm actually talking about the beginner edit or the expert edit, and for this effect right here, I just chopped out a couple frames, lined it up with the sound effect, and drag and dropped the glitch and color change preset from the Pixel Experts Effects pack. That is, again, also linked down below in the description for free. Sound effect number 2, money explosion. This one literally is just a cha-ching sound effect, and we just pair it with a cash explosion transition, which again also is included in the pack. You can actually very strategically hide your hard cut underneath here. This really looks terrible. We completely disguise that because we have the cash blowing up over the top. Also, this right here. Clean. So what this is me literally just doing a keyframe animation of an image going upwards. We've done that with the transform effect. Ran the shutter angle up all the way, so it's very, very, motion blurry. And I just pair that with a counter sound effect, so it sounds like we're kind of going up a menu. And also, we have a glitter. And this right here is pre-made, even with the sound effect. It's in Premiere Composer. Premiere Composer is 100% for free. All you have to do is go to the shape elements, and you can find the glitter ding right here. So let's go ahead and have a look at what this scene looks like in full with my vocals, with the music. He's second place on the VP Plus leaderboard with over $200,000 of logged earnings inside the community. Very simplistic principles end up creating a really, really smooth effect when done right. Sound effect number 3, alien invert flashes. This one's a cool one. So super basic effect here. All we've done is we've taken a alien warp sound effect, and then I take first 8 frames of a still object, which in this case is a text object. And all I've done is I've taken the invert flashes from Pixel Experts Effects Pack number 1, which again is free, 100% free for you guys. And I've simply drag and dropped it onto the start of this particular scene right here. So now let's watch the whole edit in full, even with my vocals, even with the music. I'm going to show you guys how to get clients chasing you, how to stop getting ghosted so you actually can get through to these clients and land them. And I'm even going to give you guys access to my AI client finding software called the VP Plus Lead Scraper that I've spent close to $30,000 building. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what the hell I'm talking about right there, I'm actually hosting a free virtual live event this month on October the 25th at 1 p.m. EST. I'm going to show you guys how to get to $5,000 a month with video editing. I've coached over 3,000 students inside my paid community, Video Production Plus, and I still land clients that pay me $3,000 to $5,000 upfront to create content for them. You can get a ticket 100% for free by clicking the link in the description. Every single person that turns up gets free access to my AI lead scraping software that I've spent close to $30,000 building. It literally finds clients for you. It's epic. Anyways, let's jump in to the next effect. Sound effect number 4, slide image bounce. Let's check this out. So super simple effect right there. This is actually using a mix kit preset. It literally just takes any object, text object, logo object, whatever you actually put inside this file, and just does a really smooth, nice transition in with the bounce effect. I love pairing that with this kind of swoosh splat effect, just because it actually matches the bounce so well. It really feels as though it has an impact to it. So boom. and then we zoom in a little bit on me, and then whoop, boom, it smashes in again. And then this is kind of unrelated. Again, I actually use the alien invert flashes right here, as you can see. And just to show you what that's worth, I took Tipra, one of my students, last month and placed him on a job with Scott Millard, a big influencer, and he made $3,000 that month just working for Scott Millard. That was me talking about Tipra, one of my students who I placed with Scott Millard. He made $3K that month just off the job placement. 10 of you who click the link below, sign up, join the free WhatsApp group, and get ready for the event happening October 25th at 1 p.m. EST are getting placed on a paying job. Now let's jump into the fifth and final effect. Woo! Clean. Instead of just using the riser, we've also paired it with a shake effect. That is literally in Premiere Composer. Again, completely free. We come to transitions, and it's the shake and distort effect that I literally just drag and dropped over the top. And it also comes with its own kind of swoosh sound effect. So you've got that kind of subtly in the background. You see, if I mute the riser, you just have the swoosh sound effect. However, when you have the riser on top, you have a really, really, really clean combination of both sound effects. This was actually the intro scene to this video right here. Beginner editor vs expert editor. Great video. I'll play it after we end this video in a second. So literally just a riser sound effect paired with the shake and distort preset. Let's go ahead and play this with the full audio and the music and see how all this ties in together. If some of the beginners are secretly better than the experts, then we also just kind of end it with a glitch. It's just a nice, easy, lazy way to transition from one scene to the next. Woo! All right, done and dusted. Because I'm a man of my word, ding, that right there is a QR code you can scan to get every single sound effect and every single visual we talked about today, and you can use them in your own edits and recreate every single one of the scenes that I showed today. Very simple scenes, regardless, very fun and very effective. If you actually want to watch the full video that I was breaking down clips of today, this right here is the beginner editor versus expert editor. We actually paired 5 beginners versus 5 experts, and we saw who could come out on top. Actually, it was much closer than you'd expect. If you enjoyed this and want to watch more, click that one. I'm going to jump off your screen in 3, 2, 1. See you guys there.